Hai. Oh, Adinda. Nasib baik kau tidur. Adik sayang.
Kenapa, Bang?
Aku ingin kau.
Itulah, Bang tidur tak lacik kaki.
Doris,
Yes, sir.
please come in.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Doris, please address this letter to Tan and Wong Company. Sir, with reference to your letter dated 21st of March 1962, I hereby confirm to purchase that particular piece of land at $1.27 a square foot. Besides, I love you. Oh, my darling, can't you see the old ones dreaming for the young ones? Doris, please cancel this. Tolong panggilkan Rafi kembali.
Very well, sir. Cik Rafi, Cik Jamil panggil.
Ada apa, Cik?